Hi, this is Talent Home Solutions C.O.A. video tutorial number 3. In this tutorial, we are going to discuss about the bus architecture or the interconnection structure. In the previous session, we saw that the CPU structure consisted of various registers and there was some interconnection between those registers. So those registers ka interconnection is displayed over here. Those interconnection structures are nothing but bus. So let's understand this. So my objective here will be to understand interconnection structure, that is bus. So here the bus is going to be the collection of 3 lines and we are going to see what it is used for. It is used for communicating data, instruction, control signal or addresses to and from various devices. So let's see. So since I have got all these devices with which I need to communicate, I need to have a hierarchy or an interconnection structure that is going to help me to get my data, my control and my address information to and from all these devices. So for that, as I said, I want to control all the devices, so I need a control bus. Since I want to get the address of all the data or instruction present, I will require an address bus. And the last one will be a data bus because I work on the data. So the data will be a major component that is going to work inside my device. And these are the various interconnections between my devices and my buses. So now, let's see the first one, which is my control bus. So control bus is always going to be bidirectional because it is going to communicate the control signal of command and timing information. It basically does all the task of controlling of my devices. So it specifies which operation is to be performed using this control bus. It's bidirectional. Okay, now moving on to the next one, which is, and also we have got signals like control signals, interrupt signals for this particular control bus. So the next one is address bus. Address bus is going to get me the address of the data on which I need to perform the operation. So basically it identifies the source or destination of my address. The next one is data bus, which is again bidirectional for some and unidirectional for some other devices. What it does the actual carrying of my data and instruction between the various system modules that I have. So I can summarize this by saying that these data buses are bidirectional, which bidirectional for my memory and processor, whereas it is unidirectional for my input and output devices. So this as a whole is my system bus, which consists of control bus, address bus and the data bus. So in this tutorial we learned that the system bus is divided into 3 types, that is control bus for controlling signal flow, address bus for memory address flow and data bus for data and instruction flow. So let's guess the correct option for the question. So the question is a group of wires that connect several devices dash. Okay, so a group of wires that connect several devices is called as a address bus, a data bus, a control bus or a system bus. So the correct answer for this will be a system bus because it is a group of wires which consists of all the buses, that means address, data and control buses into it. Okay, thank you for this session.